Hi everyone, my name is Anna Forgony. I am an intuitive mentor, spiritual teacher, speaker, and this is your opportunity for a meditation bundle. In this meditation toolkit, you could reach a lot of meditation, 5 and plus 2 meditations. With these guided meditations, you have the possibility to recreate the connection with the divine source energy, to tap into the power of the infinite quantum field, and then you will have the possibility to create your own life, what you want to have, but according to your soul plan, your soul guidance, and the information from the divine. So with these exercises, you will have then tools in your hand to create a very beautiful connection with the divine, to start to feel your own intuition. If you are brand new with the meditation, then you could use this bundle for sure. But if you are already on an advanced level, then still there could be some new opportunities, new perspectives for you as well. In the meditation exercises, we use visualization and also energy healing techniques. What can you find in this meditation bundle? You could find a morning and evening abundance, forgiveness, and freedom meditations. These are also audio files and these are also videos in your profile when you register for this meditation bundle. And also I offered you 2 meditations as a gift. This is a short version, morning meditation and evening meditation. With the morning meditation, you will have a new perspective about your day and about your life, because we are working not just on your day and actually the energy level, the vibration of your day, but also about your whole life. So you will have some guidance how you could improve your day and your life. In the evening meditation, we will make a summary together about your day. You will see your day from a different perspective. You will automatically receive some messages from the quantum field and you will slip into the sleepy state of mind. In this abundance meditation, this is absolutely a manifestation meditation, but this is different. It's different from others because we are creating our life in case of a guidance from the quantum. So you will create your manifestation list in your head during the meditation according to the inspiration of the divine source energy. So you will tap into your infinite possibilities, into your infinite possible power, and your manifestation will go on according to your higher purpose, according to your soul call, and according to the divine source energy. With this kind of perspective, you could create miracles in your life because you will have a point of view about your manifestation, not just according to your physical state of mind. It will be automatically generated, the information from the divine. When we are talking about the forgiveness meditation, forgiveness is not about the other person. Forgiveness is about you. It's a protection, and also you are able to release any old past memories, heavy energies from these past situations, and also you could have a detachment from this person. So forgiveness will automatically affect your physical, mental, emotional, and spiritual well-being. With this forgiveness exercise, you have also the possibility to see your future, how these exercises change your future. I really love the freedom meditation. I think this is so special because when you are doing the freedom meditation, actually you free yourself from different types of illusions. The illusion means here that you accepted something as an ultimate truth, but actually it is just a limitation or an illusion already for you. So with this exercise, you will have the possibility to lift up the veil and release this limitation, these illusions, and see how many things are able to reach in your life. You could have an automatic instant manifestation during this freedom meditation because you will see your full potential, even more what you ever thought. There are some technical information as well. So first of all, as I told you, there are 5 long meditations in this bundle, but I give you 2 meditations for free as a gift. You could play this meditation inside your profile, you could play them with your access, but actually you could download all of these files so you could have offline too. And just so you know, you could repeat whenever you want to repeat these meditations. I can't wait to see and hear your feedbacks.